Today, I am reviewing the Higround Summit Snowstone mechanical keyboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first pull the Higround Summit 2.0 Snowstone out of the box, the immediate sensation is one of sheer, unyielding weight. This is not just another plastic peripheral meant to be tossed into a backpack and forgotten. The full CNC aluminum case provides a level of structural integrity that you usually only find in high-end, enthusiast-grade custom boards that cost twice as much. It feels grounded on your desk, and that literal weight translates into a figurative sense of quality. This keyboard is a statement piece, but it is one built with a very specific acoustic and tactile goal in mind. The most striking feature for anyone who cares about the sensory experience of typing is the sound profile. Higround has marketed this as a creamy and Thocky keyboard, and for once, the marketing matches the reality. This is achieved through a very deliberate combination of a gasket mount design, an FR4 flex cut plate, and triple dampening foam. In the world of mechanical keyboards, the plate material changes everything. By using FR4, which is essentially the material used for circuit boards, you get a natural flex that absorbs the harshness of a bottom mount. When you combine that with the gasket mounting, the entire typing surface has a subtle, sophisticated bounce. It doesn't feel like you're typing on a slab of concrete. It feels like the board is working with you. The triple dampening foam fills every internal void, killing that annoying metallic ping that plagues cheaper aluminum boards. The result is a deep, muted thud that is incredibly satisfying to the ears and less fatiguing for long sessions of typing or gaming. Under the hood, the Dreamland linear switches are the stars of the show. These come pre-lubed, which is a massive deal for anyone who doesn't want to spend 5 hours manually opening and brushing grease onto every individual switch. The glide is remarkably smooth right out of the box. There is no scratchiness, no hitching, and the actuation feels consistent across the entire board. Because it uses screw-in stabilizers rather than the cheaper plate-mounted ones, the larger keys like the spacebar and shift keys don't rattle or wobble. They feel just as solid as the single-unit keys. From a functional standpoint, the 65% layout is arguably the sweet spot for the modern user. You save a massive amount of desk space for your mouse movements, which is critical for low-sensitivity gaming, yet you don't lose the dedicated arrow keys. Moving from a full-size keyboard to a 60% can be jarring because of the loss of those arrows, but the 65% layout on the Summit 2.0 keeps them tucked neatly in the corner. It is a compact design that doesn't force you to learn a dozen new function layers just to navigate a spreadsheet or a document. The aesthetics are equally impressive. The Snowstone colorway is clean and professional, but the programmable RGB lighting allows you to flip a switch and turn it into a vibrant light show. The side panel lighting effects are a particularly nice touch, casting a glow across your desk mat that adds depth to your setup. For the enthusiasts who like to tinker, the inclusion of universal 5-pin hot-swappable sockets is the ultimate safety net. It means you aren't locked into these switches forever. If you decide 2 years from now that you want a clicky switch or a different brand of linear, you can simply pull the old ones out and pop new ones in without ever touching a soldering iron. Even the construction details, like the hex screw assembly, show that Higround was thinking about the long-term life of the product. This is a keyboard designed to be opened, maintained, and customized. It bridges the gap between a mainstream gaming peripheral and a boutique custom build. Whether you are buying this as a serious upgrade for your own workstation or as a high-end gift for a gamer who appreciates the finer details of hardware, the Summit 2.0 Snowstone delivers on every promise. It is quiet where it needs to be, loud where it matters visually, and feels incredibly premium at every touchpoint. It is quite simply one of the most refined typing experiences you can get in a pre-built wired keyboard today.